how's it going, guys? It's your boy YASHViR GAMiNG. Well, if you're new to the channel, guys, I would like you to kill, murder, and smash that little subscribe button, because whenever I drop a brand new video, you guys gonna get notified. Okay, so without any further ado, guys, in this video I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of this little guy right here, which is a wireless lavalier microphone. Alright, so I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, and then I'm gonna basically what you need to do is you're gonna just push it right there. You're gonna push it here and just pull. Okay, just push it and pull. Okay, well, I purchased this on Amazon for 30 bucks. Okay, 29 dot whatever, dot 59 or whatnot. So if you'd like to buy it from Amazon, don't worry, I got you. Okay, I got you. I'm gonna put a link down in the video description. Alright, so this little guy, okay, this set has 2 packs. Okay, it comes with 2 packs. So and I'm sure if you're wondering why I'm doing why I'm watching this side and I'm showing this side, because I got 2 cameras right now. Okay, one is my webcam and one is the Canon DSLR camera. Alright, so 2 packs. Okay, so 2 packs. One is for yourself, which you can clip on your shirt or whatever. Okay, wherever you feel like you want to clip it. And the other one, you can use it. You can give it to someone, maybe a person that you are about to interview. Okay, so interview and the interviewer. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Alright, this little thing, okay, is this little thing. So let me just shit right here is, yeah, about this little device right here. Okay, about this little piece of device. Alright, so basically it's a microphone. So you've got 2 plugs. Okay, and you've got nothing here. You've got a small small thing that says wireless microphone. I don't know if you're seeing them. Okay, wireless microphone user manual. Okay, alright, so you can read that. And in the box, as well, in the box right here, we have a USB Type-C cable. I think. Okay, it comes out very sturdy. You have to pull it out. So this one here. So this is a cable. Right, the cable. It's a USB Type-C cable. Okay, this is a cable. Right there, a USB Type-C cable. Okay, so basically what you need to do is you wanna grab your iPhone. Okay, your iPhone device. You just grab it like that. Grab your iPhone. I just insert this. So how does this thing work? Okay, so you wanna grab one of the mic, just clip it onto your shirt. Okay, wherever you wanna clip it, and you're gonna see a switch button right here. Okay, right here it says a switch button. Alright, so once you clip it, you wanna press. First, let's clip this thing. Oh, shit, how do I clip this? Alright, how people clip this? Oh shit. Alright guys, I don't know how to clip this. Maybe I'm just gonna figure it out later, but yeah, you can always figure it out later. Alright, so as long as like that, then you're gonna grab your phone. Okay, you're gonna grab the little adapter which comes with. Okay, and you wanna just insert it. So there's no way around with. There's no like a point of view where to plug this. So both sides. Okay, so grab it, just plug it. Plug it. So as you can see, we've plugged it right there. Okay, we've plugged the device, the adapter device, on our iPhone. And yes guys, this works only for iOS device, okay? iOS smartphones, iPads devices, okay? This will not work if you have Android device. So once it's clicked, okay, it's we've inserted the drive over there. Next one was yeah. Next, what you need to do is to press on the switch. Okay. So yeah. So as soon as I press on the switch, I can see. As soon as I press on the switch, guys, I can see a green light. Okay. I don't know if you're seeing that, but let me just You can see a green light, just like this. So I'm hoping that. Alright, so that means it is showing a green light, so which is we are good to go. Now on your device, just open the recorder app or whatever, record. Now we can still record ourselves. Just you gotta find the app, okay, just go record, or you can just open voice memo, whatever. Not this, but where's the voice? Voice memo. So you're gonna open the voice memo and start recording. So you turn that off, that thing. Okay, it's a fan. Alright, so right now guys, my voice is being picked up by my webcam or my this DSLR Canon camera. But now I'm gonna use this little device and the phone, okay, in the phone I'm gonna record and I'm gonna show you how it sounds like. Hey, what up? So hey, it's your boy YASHViR GAMiNG. Why I'm using this device, guys, and why the Canon camera is capturing yourself for the image footage is being recorded. I don't know, maybe like 4K 30 FPS. Right, that's good. But the audio, how you gonna sync up the audio? I'm gonna show you how you're gonna synchronize the audio from this little guy to your Canon camera on your PC. Okay.